How to change hero voice to Japanese in Mobile Legends. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your hero voice to Japanese in Mobile Legends. Now before we begin and before I teach you guys how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. So the first step is you'll need to tap on the the settings icon on the top right corner. Now you'll see the gear icon on the top right. Simply tap on that. And now you're on the settings. Now on the bottom you will find the languages. It should be right here. Now after you find the languages, tap on the English option. Now there are three different sections here. The first is the text, the second is the voice, and the third is the translate option. Now head over to the voice section and right there you should find the Japanese option. Now this is the one right here. This is the Japanese voice. Now downloading this and changing your voice to Japanese will not change the game's overall language, but it will change your hero's voice to Japanese. So simply tap on the download option, tap on OK. It should start downloading. And after the download has been completed, you can simply select this to change your hero voice to Japanese. And it's basically that simple guys, and that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.